SRH Hochschule Hamm has given utmost importance to education. Along with regular classroom studies, one of the many ways is to bridge the students and the professors through Adobe Connect from the many IT tools.
And the Toyota production system is based on three main pillars. First pillar is just-in-time, then followed by the pillar Jidoco, and then we have involvement.
Exams are moderated thoroughly along with weekly assignments, group interactions, and presentations. And due to that, the demand in cold storage just went too high, and we have so many vegetables in cold storage that it's a problem now. And with distribution, obviously transportation has been banned. After your presentation, your knowledge about the subjects are reviewed by your professor. So to answer your questions, I think what we want to do is first get help from agri startups. From referring study material on campus portals to getting your presentations assessed by your professors, your learning journey is encircled. We genuinely appreciate the immense efforts, time, and hard work put in by the faculty, the university management, and the entire support staff of SRH Hochschule Hamm.
So for all the future students, I wish you all the best and good luck, and I'm looking forward to see you at the SRH University in Hamm.